Maybe some sort of a fox, or who knows, you know. Huh? Maybe panther here. I am here in the deep savannah, and on my way to that place. Let's go. People, good to see you in this new chopper. Today I'm in Rio Das Pedras, located in Sao Paulo, in this beautiful and small water spring with the name Quedas da água Viegas, Córrego Sao Matias. That's right, guys. I hope you enjoy the shot with the drone terrestrial camera. You know, I try to combine all together for all of you guys to enjoy it as much as possible and appreciate the beauty of the creation God gave it to us, you know, to enjoy in a good way, guys. Folks, if you live around Sao Paulo and you know already this place, just let me know. Or if you don't know, well, let me, what is your opinion? What do you think about this beautiful place, you know? Thank you very much to watching the whole video. Full love, energy, hugs for all of you guys.